I just finished the quick assembly of this Kreg multi-purpose shop stand. Now this is the same leg set that will come with a full-size Kreg router table, but they're also just great for general purpose use in the shop. We're going to set this one up for use with a Kreg Foreman pocket hole machine. Dimensions are 20 by 28, and those are spot on as outside dimensions, but we'll also give you the inside dimensions if you're looking to make a lower shelf to add on to this. Height adjustable with leveling feet, and the height range is from 31 to 39 inches. The stand goes together with short length carriage bolts, and luckily there's only one size fastener with this kit, so assembly is super easy. This leg assembly is what allows that wide range of height adjustment, and then the leveler feet go in with a couple of jam nuts, and there's a large oversized rubber pad, and it has a little bit of wiggle to it, and that's just perfect for getting a good footing on uneven shop floors. And the rest of the assembly is pretty straightforward as well, with 2 short rails and 2 long rails on each side. And one question I had about the height range adjustment on this is, does that include the leveling feet? And yes, it does. I have this adjusted 1 inch above the bottom of the range, and it's at 32 inches, including the leveling feet, but not including any plywood top that you may add yourself. And of course, the overall height of the stand will grow a little bit if you elect to go with Kreg's optional caster set, so keep that in mind with your overall shop plans as well. And those rubber leveling feet seem to make all the difference. Gives you a nice stable base. Here's a heavy duty stand with the leveling feet. Compared to a light duty base with no leveling feet, oh yeah, that's not going to cut it. Sometimes I think these light duty stands are just held together by the plywood top. It's really unacceptable quality. Never again in my shop. And that lower shelf needs to be 27 3/4 long by 19 3/4 wide, and that works well if you just ease the top edge only and leave the bottom edge square. And that puts the top of my foreman a little over 40 inches off the floor, and again, that's with the legs adjusted 1 inch from the lowest position. So that'll be a nice comfortable working height. Well, I think that'll make a much nicer pocket holing station for me. And there's another feature that this leg set has. There's pre-drilled holes a little bit lower in the legs, and that allows you to drop this top rail down if you want to make room for a bench vise or just a drawer, any way you want to custom fabricate that for your shop. But overall, a very sturdy leg set, and I would highly recommend it.